These are the elevators at Best Western Plus in Atlanta, Georgia. I think it looks like a C.J. Anderson. Nice leveling. Look in the mirror. Hi. Let's go to 4. Made a funny click. That's a really funny click. This is a, it's kind of dark to see, but it's a Gemco elevator with GAL buttons. Let's go down to basement. That's a really funny click. That's a rough door operator. It's a 2-speed door. Let's go up again. Well, it's really dark to see me up there. Go back down to basement. An AA compliant phone. Oh, that's a rough door operator. Alright, there it goes. And that'll be it.